Hello, welcome back everyone. Today in this session, we are going to discuss about important question that has been asked in a Deloitte interview question. This is the same question that can be asked in some service-based company or in some product-based company. This will be beneficial for you if you are preparing for data analyst or data engineering role to attain and gather a good package. So just let's begin with the question. Here we have a table named as country table, in which we are having a column named as country name, which is having values of like this: India, Sri Lanka, Pakistan and Bangladesh. And what we want in the output is that country final, which will have a value India hyphen Sri Lanka, India hyphen Pakistan, India hyphen Bangladesh, and so on. So what we are doing here is that we are picking first value and combining all of the remaining values. Like here, first value is India and remaining values are Sri Lanka, Pakistan and Bangladesh. Similarly, moving forward, for the case of Sri Lanka, here we will having two values named as Pakistan and Bangladesh. Similarly, for the last case, Pakistan, we will have values Bangladesh. So how can we do this question? Just imagine, think the approach. Here we have a table named as country table, in which we are having the entire data. So can we do with the help of joins, or can we have to apply cities? Just a beginner, try to think about that. I'll give you 10 seconds to think this question. After that, I'll try to solve this in front of you with two approaches. One is cities. We will also learn the concept of city. What is city? And with the help of joins. So let's begin. Here I have created a table named as Windows function table. If I do a select query from this table, we will get output as follows. Okay, this we will use for explaining you the question. Now first of all, we will understand the concept of city. If I have to reuse this table once again without creating a temporary table, how can we do that? We will introduce a concept named as CT. CT is common table expression. The syntax for this is with CT as, with curly with bracket start and with bracket end. Now I can call the CT with select star from CT. Here you can see that we are getting the same output as above. We will utilize this concept in solving this problem. Now to solve this problem, here we will use the concept of Windows function. What is Windows function and how can we consume that to solve this problem? Here we are going to discuss about rank, row number and dense rank. So before understanding that, first of all, we will try to understand the concept of all of these three Windows functions with some examples. So I'll write query select star from table name is country, or we can say that table name is Windows function. We will get the same output as before. Now I'll apply the concept of Windows function. First is row number, or we can start with rank, over order by serial number. I'll give this name as rank hyphen rank underscore. Coming to the dense rank and row number, I'll just copy paste this query to save time. Row number, changing the name of this column for row number will be row number underscore. Similarly, lastly for the dense rank, dense rank. Now I'll change the name of the column also, just like we did above for rank and row number. Now I'll run this query and we will get the output, and we will try to understand the concept of rank, row number and dense rank. So in first column, or we can say the second column for the output is rank underscore. So we can see that here we are having serial number 1, so rank is 1. For serial number 2, rank is 2. For serial number 3, rank is 3. Now the serial number is repeating, so rank is also repeating. But strange, we are getting 5th rank, where is 4? So rank number skips the rank if it is repeating. So for third it will be third. If third is again repeating, then it will skip 4, and for last it will give 5. But when we are going to discuss about the concept of row number, it is not going to skip. It will just give a serial number like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now coming with the dense rank concept. For the dense rank scenario, here you can see that for serial number 1 we are getting 1, for 2 we are getting 2, for 3 we are getting 3. Now serial number is repeating, so we are getting same dense rank, but here rank has not been skipped, it is same like 4. So for the concept of rank number, the rank is skipped and you will get the next rank, but for a dense rank the rank is not skipped. So this is the basics about Windows function. Now we'll try to solve this problem while utilizing the above concept of CT, which is known as common table expression, and with the concept of Windows function. So this is a table, and what we want in the output, just combination of this apart from first one. So how can we solve that? We will introduce the concept of row number here, row number, and what is the syntax? Over, and we will use order by. Now we will create serial number with the help of null records. So select null and we will give this name as flag. This will be flag column for us. Now if I'll execute the query, you can see the output. Here we are assigning a different flags for all of these 4 countries. Like India is having flag 1, Sri Lanka is having flag 2, Pakistan is having flag 3, and similarly Bangladesh is having flag 4. Now what we want in the output is that India should combine with Sri Lanka, Pakistan and Bangladesh, and Sri Lanka should combine with Pakistan and Bangladesh, and similarly. So how can we do this? Just think about that. Any guesses? Here we will use the concept of CT because we want to use these tables once again with CTS. Why we are using this table once again? Because here we will do join. If we can join on the basis of flag, then we will get the records. How? So just see. Select star from CT. I'll give that name as T1. Join CT T2 on the basis of T1 dot flag is not equal to T2 dot flag. This will work or not? Any guesses? So let's run this query and we will see the output. Oh, we are getting 12 records, but why? We were having only 4 records and now we were getting 12 records. So to understand this, we will see what we were having as input. Select star from table name. Table name is country. So you can see that in input we were having 4 records, but when we are combining it with the remaining one where flag is not matching, it will gonna to match with 3 of these. Okay, so we will have a combination of 12 because 4 3 is 12. Got the point? But what we want a single pair, like India should combine with the next one. So we'll try to understand this concept. You can see the both of this output. Here this is the input and what we want in the output, but in a cleaner way. So if we do some changes in the joins, then we will get the output. What? If India is a serial number 1, it will match with a higher serial like serial number 2, 3 and 4. Similarly for the Sri Lanka. So in short, we can say that if we will change the condition of join as t1 dot flag is less than t2 dot flag, then might be it will fulfill the condition. Let's see. Yep, we are getting 6 records. But why? Because as we apply the joins and as we have assigned that flag column, and we are joining on the basis of higher serials or higher flag. So it's correct. But as seen in the question, we want output in this manner. How can we do this? We will just consume the input and do a little bit changes, like t1 dot country name, comma t2 dot country name. We are getting here error. Why? Okay, we missed this. Country name was specified multiple times. Any guesses why we are getting error? Okay, we'll do the changes. We have to apply t1 here because we have to do the changes in the CT output. So t1 dot country name, t2 dot country name. Now we'll get the output or not? Yep, we're getting. But we need to tweak this. How we'll do? We will just append a hyphen between them, and we will give this as a name as country name final. Let's see. Yep, this is all we want. So what we have did here, we have introduced the concept of CT as well as self join. But how can we achieve the same result without using CT or without using Windows function? Just think about that. How can we solve this problem with another method? Okay, let's solve together. If we will do the self join on the basis of country name, and we will just give the same condition as we have given above, then we can solve this problem. Join country t2 on t1 dot country name is not equal to t2 dot country name. Let's see. Here we are getting 12 records, but we want 6, so we'll apply the same condition just like we did above. Now we are getting 6 records. Only we have to do some tweaks. So I'm just copying the query from above to save some time. Just pasting this stuff and just executing the query. Correct. We are getting the same output as desired. So we can solve this problem with two methods. One is with Windows function and the concept of CT, and directly with the help of self join. Hope so if you understand this concept clearly. If you have some doubts, then please just drop a comment. If you want some more videos from me or Windows function or some good SQL interview question, then just drop a comment. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you everyone.